everyone! Welcome back to my channel. We're here at Zark's Burger Restaurant, and in my opinion, one of the best burger in town here in Manila, Philippines. I already tried Zark's burger couple of times, and this time I will show you some of my favorite food from Zark's Burger. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Please do check out my playlist and other restaurant review vlogs here in my channel. So yes, this is the grilled beef cheeseburger. Look at that. Their beef is really tasty, meaty, and juicy. Not your ordinary burger, but aside from its grill, the quality of meat is really tasty. Grilled burger. Ang sarap ng beef. Pure beef patty. And if you're looking for a quality nachos, Zark's Burger is the place to go. We love this crunchy nachos. Comes with dipping sauce, cheese, and salsa. It's really delicious. This is the type of dipping sauce I'm looking for, together with the fine taste salsa. Yes, this is the nachos of Zark's Burger. Ang sarap ng sauce nila. Very crispy. Ang sarap ng sauce nila. Sarap ng sauce.
Kung ganyan naman ang sauce, talagang
Sarap.
mapaparami kain mo. May ganyan pa pala, no?
Sarap. Very good. I love chicken wings, and they have it here. Spicy fried chicken wings is juicy, crispy, and not very spicy. Just the way I like it. They have other flavor of chicken, but I definitely recommend this spicy one. Yes, kasi yung fried chicken nila na hot and spicy. You can order it ng 4 pieces or 8. Sarap. Very good. Sarap. Tama-tama lang. Perfect. Here's the menu and price of Zark's Burger Restaurant. Overall, tasty food, great burger. I definitely recommend Zark's Burger Restaurant. Thank you for watching this episode, and hope to see you to my next vlog.